In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Shopify in 2025. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur launching your first online store or an experienced seller, accessing your Shopify account is your first step. We're going to walk through a simple process to make sure you can log into your Shopify account easily and securely. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever you like best. Then simply type in shopify.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you straight to Shopify's homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. It's full of helpful links and resources that can assist you in exploring everything Shopify offers. However, to log into your account, you'll focus on a specific area. Look towards the top right-hand corner of the page, and you'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Login, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to choose a platform for logging in. Shopify offers a flexible approach here, so you have options. Often you'll find icons for Google, Facebook, and other major platforms if you've chosen to connect these accounts with your Shopify login. Today, let's say you're logging in through Google. Find and click on the Google logo to proceed with this method. Now, you'll be taken to Google's login page. If you haven't logged into your Google account recently on this device, you'll be asked to enter your email or phone number associated with your Google account. Ensure that you've connected the right Google account for accessing Shopify. After entering the details, click Next and follow any additional prompts like entering your password if required, or simply selecting one of the Google accounts if you have several. Lastly, once you've successfully selected and logged into your Google account, you'll be redirected back to Shopify. If everything is set up correctly, you should find yourself in your Shopify dashboard. From here, you have full access to explore your store, manage products, analyze customer data, and more. Always remember to log out of your account at the end of your session if you're using a public or shared computer for security reasons. Simply navigate to your account settings and select Log Out once you're finished. Logging into Shopify is designed to be straightforward and secure, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters, running and growing your online business. If you ever encounter issues with logging in, Shopify's customer support and help center are excellent resources. That's all for today's guide on logging into Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.